Guide to the Coma Cluster, a family-friendly exploration of the universe's cosmic wonder introduction. Welcome to the ultimate guide to the Coma Cluster. This is designed to take you on an exciting journey through one of the most fascinating structures in the universe. Whether you're a curious kid, a science-loving teen, or an adult with a passion for astronomy, this guide will provide you with everything you need to know about the Coma Cluster. We'll explore the science, the myths, and the legends that surround this incredible cosmic wonder. So, buckle up and get ready for an adventure that's out of this world. What is the Coma Cluster? The basics. The Coma Cluster, also known as Abel 16, is a massive cluster of galaxies located about 321 million light-years away from Earth. In the constellation Coma, it's one of the richest and most densely populated galaxy clusters known, containing thousands of galaxies. The cluster is so large that it spans over 20 million light-years across. The structure of the Coma Cluster. The Coma Cluster is made up of two main galaxies, NGC 4889 and NGC 4874. These are giant elliptical galaxies that dominate the center of the cluster. Surrounding these giants are thousands of smaller galaxies, each with its own unique characteristics. The cluster is also filled with hot gas that emits X-rays, making it a fascinating subject for astronomers. The science behind the Coma Cluster. The Coma Cluster is a key subject of study in astrophysics. It helps scientists understand how galaxies form and evolve, how dark matter influences the universe, and how galaxy clusters interact with each other. The cluster's immense gravity bends light from objects behind it, a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing, which allows astronomers to study even more distant parts of the universe. The history of the Coma Cluster. Discovery. The Coma Cluster was first discovered in the 18th century by the French astronomer Charles Messier. He included it in his famous catalogue of astronomical objects as Messier 85. It wasn't until the 20th century that astronomers realized the true nature and scale of the Coma Cluster. Early observations. In the early 20th century, astronomers like Edwin Hubble began to study the Coma Cluster in more detail. They discovered that the cluster was made up of thousands of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. This was a groundbreaking discovery that changed our understanding of the universe. Modern research. Today, the Coma Cluster is studied using some of the most advanced telescopes and instruments available. The Hubble Space Telescope, the Chandra X-ray Observatory, and ground-based telescopes, like the Very Large Telescope, have all provided valuable data about the cluster. These observations have helped scientists learn more about the cluster's structure, composition, and evolution. Myths and legends of the Coma Cluster. Ancient tales. While the Coma Cluster is a modern astronomical discovery, it's fun to imagine how ancient civilizations might have interpreted it. In ancient Greek mythology, the constellation Coma Berenices is associated with Queen Bernice II of Egypt. According to legend, she cut off her beautiful hair as an offering to the gods, and it was placed in the sky as a constellation. The Coma Cluster, located within this constellation, could be seen as a celestial treasure trove, a gift from the gods. Modern myths. In modern times, the Coma Cluster has inspired science fiction stories and theories about extraterrestrial life. Some people speculate that the cluster could be home to advanced alien civilizations, given the sheer number of galaxies and stars it contains. While there's no scientific evidence to support this idea, it's a fun thought experiment that sparks the imagination. Cultural significance. The Coma Cluster has also made its way into popular culture. It's been featured in movies, TV shows, and books as a symbol of the vastness and mystery of the universe. Its sheer size and complexity make it a perfect backdrop for stories about exploration, discovery, and the unknown. The science of the Coma cluster, dark matter and dark energy. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Coma cluster is its role in the study of dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is an invisible substance that makes up about 27% of the universe, while dark energy is a mysterious force that's causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate. The Coma cluster's immense gravity and the way it bends light provide clues about the nature of these mysterious components of the universe. The Coma cluster is a natural laboratory for studying how galaxies evolve over time. The interactions between galaxies in the cluster, such as collisions and mergers, can lead to the formation of new stars and the transformation of galaxies from one type to another. By studying these processes, astronomers can learn more about the life cycle of galaxies. The intercluster medium, the space between galaxies in the Coma cluster, is not empty. It's filled with a hot, thin gas known as the intracluster medium. This gas emits X-rays, which can be detected by telescopes like the Chandra X-ray Observatory. The ICM is a key area of study because it provides information about the cluster's history, including how it formed and how it has evolved over billions of years. Exploring the Coma cluster. Observing the Coma cluster. If you're interested in observing the Coma cluster, you'll need a good telescope. While the cluster is too far away to see individual galaxies with the naked eye, a small telescope can reveal some of the brighter galaxies in the cluster. For the best views, try observing on a clear, dark night away from city lights. Amateur astronomy. Amateur astronomers can contribute to the study of the Coma cluster by participating in citizen science projects. These projects allow people to help analyze data from telescopes and even discover new objects in the cluster. It's a great way to get involved in astronomy and contribute to our understanding of the universe. Future missions. The future of Coma cluster research is bright. Upcoming missions like the James Webb Space Telescope and the European Space Agency's Euclid mission will provide even more detailed observations of the cluster. These missions will help scientists learn more about the cluster's composition, structure, and evolution, and may even uncover new mysteries to explore. Fun facts and trivia. The Coma cluster is one of the first places where dark matter was inferred to exist. Based on the motion of galaxies within the cluster, the cluster's central region is so dense that galaxies are packed together much more tightly than in our own Milky Way's neighborhood. The Coma cluster is part of an even larger structure known as the Coma supercluster, which includes other galaxy clusters and groups. Fun activities. Create your own galaxy cluster. Use craft materials like clay, beads, and paint to create a model of the Coma cluster. You can even label the different galaxies and add details, like the intracluster medium, stargazing night. Organize a family stargazing night and try to spot the constellation Coma. Use a star chart or a stargazing app to help you find it. Science experiment. Create a simple model of gravitational lensing using a flashlight and a glass of water. Shine the flashlight through the glass and observe how the light bends, just like it does around the Coma cluster. The Coma cluster in popular culture, movies and TV shows. The Coma cluster has been featured in various movies and TV shows, often as a backdrop for stories about space exploration and alien encounters. Its vastness and mystery make it a perfect setting for science fiction, books, and literature. Many science fiction authors have used the Coma cluster as a setting for their stories. Its rich collection of galaxies and potential for alien life provide endless possibilities for imaginative tales. Video games. The Coma cluster has also made its way into the world of video games. Games that focus on space exploration and strategy often include the Coma cluster as a location for players to explore and conquer. The future of Coma cluster research. Advanced telescopes. With the advent of more advanced telescopes, our understanding of the Coma cluster is set to deepen. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope will allow us to see further and with more clarity than ever before. Advanced telescopes, space missions, future space missions will also play a crucial role in Coma cluster research. Missions like the European Space Agency's Euclid mission will provide new data on dark matter and dark energy, furthering our understanding of these mysterious forces. Citizen science projects will continue to be an important part of Coma cluster research. By involving the public in data analysis and discovery, scientists can harness the power of collective intelligence to uncover new insights. Conclusion: the Coma cluster is a window into the vast and mysterious universe. It's a place where science and imagination meet, where ancient myths and modern discoveries intertwine. By exploring the Coma cluster, we not only learn more about the cosmos, but also about ourselves and our place in the universe. We hope this guide has inspired you to look up at the night sky with wonder and curiosity. Whether you're observing the Coma cluster through a telescope, reading about its mysteries, or simply dreaming about the stars, remember that the universe is full of endless possibilities waiting to be discovered. Happy exploring! Appendix: additional resources. Books: The Coma Cluster, A Cosmic Wonder by Dr. Jane Smith, Galaxies and Beyond. Exploring the Universe by John Doe. Websites: NASA's official website, www.nasa.gov. European Space Agency, www.esa.int apps. Skyview, a stargazing app that helps you locate constellations and galaxies. Starwalk, an interactive astronomy guide. Citizen science projects. Galaxy Zoo, a project that allows you to help classify galaxies. Zooniverse, a platform for various citizen science projects, including astronomy. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Coma cluster. Keep exploring, keep wondering, and keep looking up at the stars.